In today's video, I will give you a real, live example of how to double your profits pretty much immediately. And after that, how to double that as well. Let me explain. A dentist and her husband, who is also a dentist, recently reached out to me about increasing their profits. They bought a dental practice 2 years ago from a retiring dentist. The retiring dentist was collecting $800,000 per year. The couple brought it up to $1.7 million. They have 6 offices running, and each dentist runs 2 to 3 columns with 3 full-time hygienists. But they want to make more. Well, first off, that's good for them. They really did well. But you know what? Let's figure out how to make more money. Why the hell not? But first, hi, I'm Dr. David Park, and I help multiple dental associates become owner dentists by building dental offices for them. And not only build it, but help them succeed by giving them full support. This is what we do at Clear Lakes Dental. Okay, the first answer is simple, and that is to double the number of your chairs. If the dentist couple is able to double the number of their chairs, then the revenue will double. It's just as simple as that, just pure numbers. If you double the number of chairs, you'll be able to see more patients, charge more to the insurance, and collect more payment. And here's the thing, sure, the payroll cost will increase because they'll be hiring more team members, but the fixed cost will stay the same. For example, the rent will stay the same. Increasing the number of chairs doesn't affect the rent. And that's great because we don't have to pay more in rent and we get to add more chairs. But of course, there's an obvious problem to this. If there's no room to grow, then the dentist is stuck. And that is a big issue. And if this is the case, they'll either have to move to a new, bigger location or make a second location. But fear not, they have another option to double their revenue, maybe even triple their revenue. And that is through making a patient worth more. So how would you make a patient worth more? Well, the answer to this is by doing more in a given time frame. I go in detail in my other video, but I'll explain it briefly here. Also, at the end of the video, I'll link it for you guys. Anyways, the first way to make a patient worth more is to do more procedures within a given time frame. And there are dental codes that will increase your production like crazy. Guys, this is a gem that I will share with you. We do oral cancer screening with the Velscope. That and the insurance pays somewhere near in the ballpark of $35 to $50 depending on the insurance company. So let's just say it's $40 and then multiply that by 20 hygiene patients per day and multiply that by 261 days for the working days in a year. So this one procedure that takes 1 minute will produce $208,800. That's a crap ton of money for that one procedure. And there are many procedures that you're able to do with this. Again, it only takes 1 minute. And the best part is you're helping patients. Each year, we actually find multiple cases of oral cancer and we refer those to the oral surgeon for further evaluation. And that brings up to my second point, and it's to refer any unwanted treatments. When I first started as a dentist, I did a lot of root canals, extractions, fillings, and dentures. I figured out very quickly that 1, I hate root canals and fillings, and 2, I'm subarashi at extractions. And so, what did I do? After my first year, I referred all my root canals and hired a dental therapist to do my fillings. But wait, doesn't root canal pay more? Well, they do, but how many extractions can you do within the same hour? So here's an example. If I did 2 root canals, that will give me about $600. Alright, cool. But within that same hour, I'm able to do 25 teeth extractions plus a full upper and lower delivery. And that will give me a good $4,500 in revenue. So $600 per hour or $4,500 per hour? Yeah, you know which one. And yes, I get it. I don't get those cases all the time, but even if I do like 15 teeth extractions and deliver partials, it will get me about $3,900 because, well, partials pay a little bit more. Anyways, so for me, I hire hygienists to do my cleanings, I hire dental therapists to do my fillings, and I refer anything out that's not extractions and dentures. All I do is my favorite procedures, which is extractions and dentures. That's pretty much it. And I know you want more in-depth information, so click on this link here. It's going to explain how I got my numbers and how you can make more money simply by being mindful of your time and referring procedures.
Tutaonana.